Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Windows 1 and unable to complete the format. So for example, if you have open up your PC and you want to format that specific disk. So in order to format, you have to simply right click on it, simply hit on format. So whenever you hit on format, it will ask you for format. Just simply hit the start button to format your disk. So if you are clicking on that and Windows is throwing the error that Windows is unable to format the disk. So in order to fix it, what you guys have to do is just simply go to search bar and simply search for CMD. I'm searching for CMD and command prompt will be open to you. Here you have to right click on it and simply click on run as administrator to open up the command prompt in your PC. So after opening up your command prompt in your PC as an administrator, now you guys have to simply enter the first command, which is disk part. So just simply search for disk part and simply enter it. So you guys can be able to see this kind of interface will appear to you. Now here what you have to do is you have to add another command, which is list disk. So you have to just simply search for add a prompt, which is list disk, and hit enter. And you guys can be able to see all of your disks will be displayed here. Now you have to just simply select any of the disk which you want to format. So I'm just simply searching for select disk is 1. So you guys can be able to see disk 1 has been selected. Now you have to enter the prompt, which is list partition. So I'm just typing list partition. So after searching for that, it will provide you all the partitions of that specific disk. Now you have to select any of the specific partition in which you want to make format. So I'm just selecting the partition 1, which is partition 1. So after searching for that, you guys can be able to see all our features of that partition 1 has been opened here. So in order to format it, what you guys have to do is just simply enter the prompt, which is format fs equals to ntfs. So you have to simply hit this command, which is let me just take a look at it, which is format fs is equals to ntfs, and you have to just simply hit the enter and your disk will be formatted successfully. So I hope this message find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.